Good morning, friends. I thank all agents, development officers, CLIAs, LICAs, chief organizers, employees, and officers of LIC family for making Mad Million Day a success. Friends, more than 6,11,000 collections were there, and more than 4,50,000 agents participated yesterday. The success could have been bigger. Out of our 14 lakh agent family, 4,50,000 agents contributed. So my appeal to rest of my agent brothers and sisters, they should also be active within this month. Before 31st January, they should contribute at least one policy so that at least this month of January becomes 100% activization. We are with you. We will give all support and assistance in all your endeavors. Thank you. All the best.